What's good, guys? So at the minute I'm working on a vocal sample pack to upload to Splice, as they want to feature your boy on there. So I'm making an R&B beat. I'm going to lay some R&B vocals, some smooth silky sound vocals, package it all together and export it for Splice exclusively. So let's jump in and get started. So I'm going to choose a guitar type loop because I'm in the mood to make a guitar type beat. I'm going to go through some of the guitar loops now. I think I'm gonna narrow it down and find something more R&B-ish. I like this one. I'm gonna go with this one. This one's sounding fire. I like how that sounds. I pitched it down, sounds a bit more moodier. Now I'm gonna just throw in a bass. Next, I'm gonna add some kind of like a synth kind of sound. I'm gonna put some drums to it now. As percussion, I like to put those in my beats. I like to put those little fillers in. You don't really hear them, but you feel them. So I like that. And that's it for now. I'm gonna leave it like that and add more sounds after I put the vocals down.
Ready, hope you're ready, the next door neighbor's gonna hear you more. Sure you're definitely good to go. Buckle up in for a ride if you want it all the time. I hope you're ready, the next door neighbor's gonna hear you more. Sure you're definitely good to go. Buckle up in for a ride if you want it all the time. I hope you're ready, the next door neighbor's gonna hear you more. Sure you're definitely good to go. Buckle up in for a ride if you want it all the time. Ready, hope you're ready, the next door neighbor's gonna hear you more. Sure you're definitely good to go. Buckle up in for a ride if you want it.
I'm gonna make it sound more echoey.
Oh,
Open it up.
ready, hope you're ready, the next door neighbor's gonna hear you more. Sure you're definitely good to go. Buckle up in for a ride if you want it all the time. I hope you're ready, the next door neighbor's gonna hear you more. Sure you're definitely good to go. Buckle up in for a ride if you want it all the time. Yeah, ready, hope you're ready.
So there you have it, guys, the R&B beats done. Tell me what you think below, drop a comment below, let me know if you thought it was banging, if you think I should have changed anything. Let me know if you think Splice will like this. Listen, if you want to collaborate with me or you want any help with any of your producing or your writing or your songwriting or anything like that, drop a comment below, hit me up, send me an email, I'll be happy to work with you, right? See you in the next video, peace.